afternoon begins to slip away. A sudden mist rolls in across the sand. I feel the phantom touch of your hand. The rain is falling, gentle and slow, stirring up the feelings that I used to know.
Every drop is tapping on the roof above, a rhythm pulling back the memory of your love.
The storm outside is quiet,
but my heart is loud. Rain on the shore,
bringing back the past.
moments that I thought were built to last.
Washing over every memory that we made.
In the falling rain, the colors never fade. Rain on the shore, you're here with me again.
The horizon's hidden by the heavy gray, but your smile is shining clear as day.
I see you walking where the tide line ends, before the wind and all the weather bends.
It's funny how the water and the sunset light
Can pull you from the shadows, making you so bright. Rain on the shore,
bringing back the past.
moments that I thought were built to last.
Washing over every memory that we made.
In the falling rain, the colors never fade. Rain on the shore, you're here with me again. Rain on the shore,
Bringing back the past.
moments that I thought were built to last.
Washing over